Compact projectors always sound convenient, but a lot of them come with compromises. They can be a bit too dim, a bit slow, or surprisingly awkward to position. Well, XGIMI hopes this one avoids some of that. It's pretty small, folds almost flat, has a built-in stand and handle, runs Google TV, and gives you 4K projection with optical zoom in a body that weighs around 1.5 kilos. This is the XGIMI Elfin Flip 4K. I've been using this for a while now to see whether it actually delivers that premium portable projector experience, or whether it's one of those products where the design is more impressive than the real world use. Because at around £869, this is not cheap. It might be compact, but it's still sitting in that price range where you absolutely should expect a proper upgrade over the usual budget experience. So I'm going to go through what it's like to set up, how good the picture is, what the smart features are like, how it handles gaming, and all the bits that I think you definitely need to know before spending this kind of money. But I guess the best place to start is by unboxing it. So unboxing this device, and I will say the experience is pretty premium. Inside the box, things are kept fairly simple. You obviously get the projector itself, a Bluetooth remote, which is backlit, the external power adapter, a couple bits of paperwork, and that is pretty much it. There is no carry case included, which would have been a nice addition considering this design is to be moved around. But I guess it's not something I necessarily expect nowadays, but it would have been nice. Now, first impressions are pretty strong. The Elfin Flip doesn't look like a typical projector. When it's folded down, it almost looks like a square book or a slim tech box. And the built-in stand wraps around it in a way that makes the whole thing feel very neat and intentional. The stand is actually one of the big design features here. It can rotate through around 150 degrees, which means you can project straight onto a wall, higher up from a table, or even up onto the ceiling if you want that lying in bed cinema experience. It's not just a stand though, it can also be used as a carry handle, and when the projector is folded away, it just helps protect the lens as well. So from a usability point of view, it's a pretty clever little design. It is also very light for a 4K projector. At around 1.55 kilograms, it's easy to move between rooms, put on a shelf, take to someone's house, or use in different spaces around your home. But there is an important point here. This is portable, but it's not cordless. There's no built-in battery, so you'll still need mains power. So that means it's not really a true grab it and use it anywhere projector in the same way a battery-powered model might be. If you want to use it outside, you'll still need a socket or a decent portable power station. Now, that's not going to be a deal breaker for many, but it does slightly change how you think about it. It's portable because it's small and easy to move, not because it's fully independent. Just keep that in mind. Now moving on to the port selection, and to be fair, it's actually pretty good for something this compact. You've got 2 HDMI ports, one with EARC, 2 USB 2.0 ports, optical audio, 3.5mm audio, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. That means you can have a console plugged in, a soundbar connected, and still use Google TV without constantly swapping things around. The 2 HDMI ports are a big advantage here as well, especially considering a lot of compact projectors nowadays seem to give you just a single HDMI input. So I think when it comes to the ports, you've got enough here. Now moving on to setup, as this is one of the strongest parts of the Elfin Flip 4K. Now I'll skip over the Google TV setup, as that really is just a case of signing into your account and waiting for everything to finish setting up. Once that's done though, using the projector itself is incredibly straightforward. You can pretty much just put it down, angle it where you want it, turn it on, and let the automatic setup features do the work. You've got continuous autofocus, automatic keystone correction, screen alignment, obstacle avoidance, wall color adaptation, and even eye protection. So there's very little manual adjustment needed to get everything looking right. In normal use, that actually makes a massive difference. With cheaper projectors, you often spend ages trying to make the image square, then trying to focus it, then moving the projector a tiny bit, then doing it all over again. Here, most of that frustration is taken away. Now, it's not perfect every single time, especially if you're projecting from a real awkward angle or onto a wall with pictures, shelves, or uneven edges. But most of the time, it gets the image looking right pretty quickly. The other big thing is optical zoom. A lot of compact projectors resize the image digitally, which can reduce the image quality and waste pixels. The Elfin Flip has a proper optical zoom with a throw ratio around 0.98 to 1 up to 1.3 to 1. So you've actually got more flexibility with placement without just digitally shrinking the picture. That is genuinely useful in real rooms because you don't always get to place a projector exactly where the spec sheet wants you to. The stand is clever, but I do have one small concern. Because the projector is quite slim and the stand has fairly a small contact area, you do want to put it on a stable surface. If you've got pets, kids, or cables pulling from the back, I would be careful where you put it. It's easy to move, but because it's so lightweight, I wouldn't want to put it somewhere where it can be knocked off. As the build quality is majority plastic, I don't really think it's going to survive the drop. The Elfin Flip 4K runs Google TV, and for most that's going to be a big positive. You get a proper smart TV style interface with Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney Plus, and the usual streaming apps. It just feels much more complete than the random software you get on cheaper models. The interface is genuinely easy to use and should be quite familiar to most consumers. It also has 64GB of onboard storage, which is pretty generous for a projector, although the 2GB of RAM does make me wonder a little bit about the long-term performance. Right now, it's fine for streaming, but Google TV can get heavier over time, so I wouldn't expect it to feel like a high-end streaming box forever. Because it's proper Google TV, you're not really relying on screen mirroring or plugging in a separate streaming stick every time you want to watch something. Everything is built directly into the projector itself. You've got access to the Play Store for additional apps, and your subscriptions and recommendations are all brought together in one place. It just makes the whole experience feel much closer to using a normal smart TV rather than a projector with a basic streaming interface bolted onto it. Everything you need is pretty much built in. Overall, I would say the software is good. It's responsive, fluid, and to be fair, feels genuinely well optimized. I quite like it. Now let's talk about the picture, because this is obviously the main reason you'd spend this kind of money. Now, the Elfin Flip 4K uses a single chip DLP system with pixel shifted 4K, rather than a native 4K panel. That's pretty much normal in compact 4K projectors, and I don't think it should scare people off. It looks much sharper than a 1080p option, especially once you get to bigger image sizes. In a dark room like this, the picture can look genuinely impressive. Sharpness is really strong as well. I'm projecting at around 100 inches here, and from my experience, somewhere between 80 and 120 inches feels like the sweet spot. There's plenty of detail, text looks nice and clear, faces remain crisp, and importantly, it actually feels like you're getting a noticeable 4K upgrade rather than simply a slightly sharper version of a typical portable projector. The biggest strength is color. The RGB triple laser light source gives you a really rich, vivid look, and it can actually cover a very wide color range. Films, animation, sports, nature content, colorful YouTube videos, all of that looks pretty punchy and clean. Now, brightness is rated at 1600 ISO lumens, and for a compact projector, you can't deny that is strong. But I still wouldn't call it a bright room projector. In a dim room or evening setting, it looks great. When you start introducing light, it is noticeable. It is still usable though, but if you've got daytime flooding in, or you're trying to use it in a bright living room with all the lights on at a huge size, the image will lose its impact. As you can see here, here, it's still usable, but obviously it's not really great. But come on, that's just the reality of projectors like this. Bigger image, more ambient light, less perceived contrast. It's to be expected. So for me, this is best as an evening, bedroom, movie night or living room projector if you can control the lighting. It's not really a TV replacement for daytime viewing. Having said that, the Elfin Flip supports HDR10 and HLG, but not Dolby Vision or HDR10+. Now HDR on projectors is always a bit tricky, especially compact ones. You don't get the same brightness punch you get from a good OLED or mini LED TV. So HDR is more about tone mapping and color than huge specular highlights. Bright and colorful HDR content can look lovely, but very dark films and moody scenes are where the limitations show. The projector has dynamic contrast and laser dimming, which can help darker scenes look better than they otherwise would, but it still doesn't have the deep dark levels of a dedicated home cinema projector. But I will say, you can't deny the image looks pretty darn good. From such a compact unit, I wasn't really expecting this kind of levels. Now gaming is one of the more interesting parts of the Elfin Flip 4K. It supports 4K at 60Hz and 1080p at 120Hz, along with VRR, ALM, a black equalizer and a virtual crosshair. That's a pretty decent gaming feature set for a compact projector like this. XGIMI advertises very low latency, but I'd be careful with the headline claim, because real-world testing suggests you shouldn't expect monitor-level responses. I measured around 27 milliseconds at 1080p at 120Hz, which is still respectable for a projector like this, but obviously very different from a true 1 millisecond gaming monitor. I think for casual gaming, racing games, adventure games, sport games, and console gaming on a big screen, I think it makes a lot of sense. The 4K image looks sharp, the color is great, and the big screen feeling adds a lot. However, for competitive shooters or esports where every millisecond matters, I'd still use a proper gaming monitor or TV. The built-in speaker is a single 7-watt Harman Kardon unit, and honestly, it's more than just fine. For casual viewing, it simply does the job. Voices are clear and it gets loud enough for normal use. Obviously, if you want that more cinematic experience, I would take advantage of all the external sound options you have for grabs. But nonetheless, take a listen for yourself and be the judge. Now all in all, I think the XGIMI Elfin Flip 4K is a really impressive compact projector, but it's not for everyone. Its biggest strengths are the design, sharp 4K image, strong color, triple laser light source, optical zoom, easy setup, and obviously that Google TV built in. It feels like a projector designed for people who want a premium big screen experience without having a permanent cinema room. But ultimately, as a whole, it feels like a massive step up from the usual portable projector experience.